got a site here on some property for Samaritan's Purse. We're doing some training with their field specialists that are out with the truck going out to the different disaster sites, tornadoes, hurricanes, where chainsaws are used. Got varied skill levels, but have a very focused group. Today was exceptional. The Samaritan's Purse Disaster Relief. We met at their headquarters, which is huge, out of North Wilkesboro, North Carolina. Why does this pull? We talked about it yesterday. Breaks from the back to the front, and because trees grow in circles, see right here at the heart, it can't go that way because it's too thick to go, so it starts to separate. When it starts to pull apart from here, then that pulls the fibers out of the trunk.
So I'm a little nervous about that just because I have to go in with the point, but
well, the point's not the issue. It's this tree jumping on your head that's the issue.
Yeah, I agree.
So you got to think about, people are scared of bore cuts, but bore cut, yeah, that's not an issue. So look at your angle now. Come around here and just cut across that back. And now when that tree starts to move, what are you going to do? Are you going? All right.
the compression at the top, so we plan to just continue with those offset cuts so that we're avoiding the saw getting stuck by cutting down, and also avoiding getting it stuck in the dirt.